I think he did get charged with the felony. He just didn't do no time. You know what I'm saying? He didn't do no prison time.
You got enough money.
Did you get the remote on this truck? Yeah. I might have gave them the wrong remote. Or one I gave them all the wrong one.
Oh, you got a lot?
I'll double down the windows for 3 to 5. And remember, the tip is on the inside of the window, not the outside. The test is it's so hot that when I bring them inside, I like to leave the keys in them. Eventually, we're going to be moving it back out again and the keys where they're in. Can you back it out, brother? You see it on the ramp. Cleaned up. It's just kind of my OCD thing. I like to empty the garbage, just do the floors, put everything away. I just kind of like to do that. Vacuum the rugs. Just kind of what I like to do.
Yeah, you don't want to kill yourself though. I know,
But I'm not though, dude. Listen, this is so much less physical work than I was doing.
Yeah.
This is easy compared to what I had to do. Being